This concerns Crawl4AI, a Python crawling toolkit often used in AI agent and RAG pipeline projects. It includes a Docker API server that accepts user-supplied browser launch arguments. Crawl4AI is frequently used as a dependency within the Python ecosystem. Its widespread use is precisely why this vulnerability is significant. The vulnerability allows for remote code execution. An attacker can inject and run code through crafted input, directly impacting the server. The recommended solution is to upgrade to version 0.9.0 or later. After applying the update, restart the affected service and verify the new version is active. If immediate patching isn't possible, limit access to the component. This vulnerability has a critical impact, reflected in a CVSS score of 10, enabling complete system compromise. Prioritize addressing this issue. NextGuard monitors over 500,000 vulnerabilities across all platforms. We alert you immediately when a vulnerability like GHSA-r253-r9jw-qg44 is detected. Begin your free trial at nextguardahq.com.